at the pattern, no? The pattern, you have an alveolar pattern. So this is the lungs. Okay? And normally, the alveolar spaces should be what? Clear. Clear. Free. Free from any cell. No? Fluid or whatever. No? It should be, it's because it's aerated. It should be aerated, so it's clear. But in this case, no, you see, it is filled up with so many cells. Okay? There, no? There are inflammatory cells, particularly your neutrophils. There. There is outpouring, no, of inflammatory cells. These are your what? What structure is this? Your alveolar septa, right? Okay? And this is your alveolar space filled with this inflammatory cells. What type of inflammation? What morphology? Diba? Serous, fibrinous, suppurative, ulcer, what else? What is this? Suppurative inflammation. Okay, so this is a case of your bronchopneumonia. Okay.